Go across to Alok Pandey, who's been covering this election and covering Bihar non-stop for over a year now. Alok, you're in front of Lalu's house. He's got more seats.
Well, I am Dr. Roy.
He always knew he was going to win. Of course, even when he loses, he knows he's going to win. But he has done remarkably well in this election. So that whole refrain about Jungle Raj being the undoing of Nitish just has not happened.
Well, it absolutely hasn't, Dr. Roy. In fact, he's doing better than Nitish, it seems, his party. So really, in that sense, the resurrection of Lalu, if you could call it that, many said he was down and out after the 2000 Lok Sabha elections, but clearly a change has happened. In fact, I see one JDU flag here also. आप JDU का झंडा लेके आए, लेकिन ज़्यादा अच्छा तो नीतीश कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, लालू जी कर रहे हैं।
लालू जी कर रहे हैं, झंडे अभी हम लोग को नहीं मिल पाया है सर, जिसके कारण से गठबंधन की सरकार है ना, इसमें तो झंडा चलेगा ना, महागठबंधन
का झंडा चलेगा।
जी हाँ, व्हाई नॉट? क्योंकि
आप इस चीज से क्या थोड़े सरप्राइज है कि इनकी पार्टी नीतीश से भी ज्यादा अच्छी कर रही है?
Yeah, because Nitish Kumar also can do better than Lalu. Lalu is the this is the comedy of the leader of the, just like in a Bihar of Tiger.
Okay, so you are saying Lalu is the tiger now?
Yeah, now he is a Bihar and so is I am a Bihari. The proud of I am also Bihari.
Okay. So there you have it really at the moment. आप क्या आपका नाम क्या था?
गोपाल सिन्हा।
गोपाल जी आप बताइए, थोड़े से सरप्राइज हैं कि लालू ज्यादा अच्छा कर रहे हैं नीतीश से?
नीतीश जी इज डूइंग बेटर एंड बेटर एंड हैज डन वेरी गुड फॉर बिहार। और लालू जी चूंकि गरीब के घर में बसते हैं, इनका अपना वोट बैंक है, इन्होंने गरीबियों को उत्थान के लिए बहुत कुछ काम किया। और आज बिहार में जो चेंजिंग आ रही है, जो हमको समझ में आ रहा है कि बीजेपी वाले ने माननीय सांसद शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा को जो राजनीतिक उपहास किया, उनको बिहार से बाहर फेंक दिया। उसकी वजह से यहाँ की जनता में बहुत आक्रोश थी, जिसका उन्होंने जवाब दिया है।
So a lot of the people here, of course, many are supporters. They are saying they're not very surprised that this has happened. But clearly, as you pointed out, Dr. Roy, the fact is Lalu's done very well, and really his political career, which many said was down a little, has really revived. And all of these supporters will now say that perhaps these two leaders will now together rule Bihar. Remains to be seen what they will do, how will they work it out. Because if the JDU had won more, perhaps it would be clear that Nitish should be chief minister. Will that change? Will Lalu say something else now? That remains to be seen. We are hearing that he might address a press conference a little later.
Alok, Nitish also fought this election on development, but he fought the election on development along with peace. He said if there's communal tension, there cannot be development and growth, and along with Bihar for Biharis, not a Bahari, that both the combination. So development was common to both parties, both sides, but this factor of development with peace and development by Biharis, not Baharis, that seemed to work. Did you find that ringing true with people, the electorate, the voters you spoke to?
Well, yes, Dr. Roy. In fact, I remember this rally. I think it was in Nevada. I don't remember the place, but this was a Nitish Kumar rally. And I remember him actually coming out there, and the first thing that he said was this Bihari versus Bahari. In fact, he also made another very interesting that struck a chord with the audience that was listening to him. He said that अगर पंचायत चुनाव भी होगा तो उसमें भी क्या मोदी जी आके बीजेपी का चेहरा बनेंगे, क्या वही पंचायत भी जीतेंगे यहाँ पे? So the audience was, I mean, it struck a chord with them. So really, it does seem that this Bihari versus Bahari has somewhere worked, because Lalu also saying the same thing, Nitish also saying the same thing in the rallies, that at least we are giving you a face. We are both strong leaders, but Nitish is our face, and he'll the one who will become chief minister. So he's a localite, and he's the one who will take you forward. Whereas the BJP, Amit Shah and Narendra Modi, the main faces of the campaign. In fact, if you remember, Dr. Roy, closer to the end of the campaign, the BJP started putting in their regional leaders on posters also. Upendra Kushwaha, Ramvilas Paswan, their allies. Then you had Ravi Shankar Prasad, you had other leaders of the BJP. Their faces started appearing in posters. They were absent earlier. So perhaps the BJP also trying a course correction later in the campaign. But it seems as of now, the Bihari versus Bahari factor for Nitish and Lalu has worked.